Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rosemary focaccia with tomatoes swirling through the centre, just like this one.
Speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by your low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon, and we're stuck in a la la land.
Alright, that's all the main ingredients in for the bread. So we're going to set that to one side. We're going to leave it for about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the temperature of your room and the temperature of the ingredients in the bowl. But we're going to leave it until it doubles in size, and then we're going to start a folding process that's going to ripple the tomato sauce puree through it to have a lovely rippled tomato bread. So we'll come back in about an hour, see how we're getting on.